So I am recording, obviously, July the 3rd, and so I just went into upload number 1266. I installed this thumbnail. Okay, let me move this one out of the way. I installed this thumbnail. I took get info. The thumbnail is 168. There it is. And it came from my computer today at 2:33. It's 266, 236 now. So that's my thumbnail. Okay, put it over there. So I dragged and dropped the thumbnail in there. I can hear the malware is getting louder and louder. And then let me put this in the trash. You see, it says unknown. Actually, no, let me leave it here. This real-time tampering is a reality. So there we go. Drag and drop again, and it's unknown. I did not drop something that said unknown. I titled it 07 because I wanted the timestamp to be 07, and you can hear the fan going in the background. Okay, so the name of the thumbnail is 07. All right, so this is what is shown now. So it is not my thumbnail. So I go like that, and I get info. And this is what it is. The thumbnail is a JPEG, came from data, image, all of these things here. Wait a minute. Did I? Look at that. Look at the name. And it's unknown. All right. So that is not my extension. Right. So 60% charge lasts for 1 hour, 1.25 hours. Let me move this to the side. Bring this back. Anyways, so again, it is not my thumbnail. All of this. It's not my thumbnail. Right? And it is 7 KB in size. 7 KB. All right? The thumbnail that I installed is 168 KB. It is a different product altogether. All right, so let me put them side by side. Actually close that one there. And this is the one that replaced mine. I'm gonna take a screenshot of it. Get info. Here we go. It's 7 KB. It's way smaller than my thumbnail. There we go. All right. Where did the screenshot go? Here, there somewhere. Anyways, nothing I can do about it. It's constant replacement of my items. So it's 7 KB versus there versus mine. Anyways, I'll organize that, and that's it. So I do have a thumbnail, and I do have a timestamp, and I will save. This thumbnail, remember, is 7 KB, and mine is, what is it, 168, something like that. Anyways, I'm going to go to my channel. and it's recognized here. So as I've said before, most of the time my thumbnails are not populated. And I will stop recording now. Oh, by the way, let me click on that. And this is now a live link. Now I'm going to stop.